This is part of the east side of Sayre, Pennsylvania. The water has really receded. You can see how high it was. You can also see just by this house here, goodness, just how close. Water. All these people did make it out safely. As you can see, boy, you can really tell on the top of the roof there, the water was way up there. Lord. This is a nasty, nasty, stinky, muddy mess. All you can really smell is just the smell of diesel fuel and gas. Gosh, it's just total devastation. East side, Sayre, Pennsylvania. Ooh, I almost went down into that mucky stuff.